Hi guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World channel. The life of a farmer is really being motivated by the taking care of the pets. Early this morning, I was busy then feeding all the chickens with this hanging rice, and also we made an effort really to cut all these grasses early in the morning and feed this to our guinea pigs and even rabbits. And I'm so happy today because the guinea pigs have born 2 babies. I don't know which mama have born the baby, but I can see here there are actually 2 babies that are added to the pets of this farm. And I'm so happy every time that a baby is born in this farm. I would really love, and this is the source of my joy and inspiration. And you will see also that we have baby goats, we have new chicks of this chicken, and this very noisy monkey here, Tikloy. Actually, I have a monkey then, way back then, 2 years ago, and Tikloy was beaten up by the cobra. He died. And this is the other monkey that we can also add in this farm, very noisy. And you will see at my back that we have another, this is the second circular tank that we fabricated because we wanted to expand the production of our hito, or this catfish. This is commonly called hito here in our locality in the Philippines. And you will see as well that this is already filled with water. Just this morning, we tried our best to really fill this with water because we wanted to transfer some of our catfish here in this new tank. And you will see, I've been very vocal about this, that you can really raise other types of fish by just means of putting up some light material such as like this, made of tubular, made of steel mattings, and we have this iron bar here because we are aiming to at least be able to produce our fish with minimal cost or with minimal expenses as to the food and even as to the materials that we're gonna use for the tank. And this is the fulfillment of our dreams. Come on here, over here. These can cater literally 5,000 heads of this small catfish. And this is not an exaggeration because as you can see in the other tank, we already have grown many of this catfish, and we have here 5,000 heads, and they're growing fat and big, very fast, very quick. And you will see that this catfish is already growing bigger and bigger each day. So they're eating azolla and they're eating, of course, commercial pellet, but the major food that we can give is the azolla. And you will see right here, guys, that we are also producing a lot of these chickens, a lot of these chicks. And I expect that another baby monkey will be born maybe in 2 years time from now. And this baby monkey will become really big by then. So you will see now that we can, put this catfish here in this tank. And these catfish are already big, they're growing big, and they are just raised beside this house. This house is full of fish tanks. I don't know, but it's my passion really to make many fish tanks as possible so that I could raise different types of fish. And even before I started this channel, we are doing a lot of effort in making fish tanks so that we can produce the Japanese koi, this goldfish, this tilapia, this Japanese, this hito, and other fish like the Oscars. These are the things that I really love to do. As a vlogger, I always say that my source of joy and happiness is to vlog the activities that I always experience here in the farm on the daily basis. So I'm so excited to harvest the catfish that are actually thrown in here. All these catfish are the fast growers, meaning that they are the shooters, that the general term for this catfish that will grow fast and big. Ahead of the general siblings is the shooter. And these shooters are segregated in order for them to prevent eating the other fish. And this is filled with shooters. And this is our intention here, to catch them all and place in a new tank that we have fabricated. And you will see as well that this tank is just very, it's just very shallow. And this is a concrete tank. And this is the effort that, this tank has been fabricated on February 11, 2014. So you will see that this has been in existence for maybe 10 years or more than 10 years. So this is the kind of, before I became a blogger, I really made this tank so that I can pursue my career. Pursue my dreams to really produce many fish, like the mollies and many fish that had been actually raised here. And there is someone who told me that why don't you try to become a blogger of fish? So I tried my best, and then here it is now. We became a blogger, and we have over 1.6 million subscribers. And this is the lesson that I can impart to you, that in life, if you will pursue, in life, if you have, determination, and you have a clear vision about what you are going to do in the future, then all your efforts, actions, and even behaviors will be geared towards that ambition. And I'm so glad to impart this. This is my testimony, the victory and the testimony that I can share to all my friends and even our subscribers and followers, that if you are going to pursue, someday, somehow, you will get what you want. Welcome to the world! Welcome to Dexter's World. This is the newly born baby of this guinea pig, and the color is just so stunning because it's pure white. You see that? And this guinea pig will add beauty to the farm. Of course, this is a female guinea pig, and thank you, Lord, for this new life that's been added to the farm. You see that? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. So thank you guys for watching, and you will see that our farm animals are really very, they're really very contented, and they are being fed so well here. And this is my intention, to produce as many animals as I can and sell them, of course, to the market. This is a business, and at the same time imparting some new techniques and new discoveries that we can share to our customers and even our subscribers and followers. So thank you for watching. I hope you will continue to like and share our videos. This is gonna be a mega farm of catfish and many fish that like the goldfish and vegetables. We can also raise that here. So thank you for watching, and I would like to see you in the next video only here at Dexter's World.